How to force BuddyPress members to complete profile fields. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Youzify tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to force BuddyPress members to complete profile fields. This is the best way to force users to complete their profile fields, widgets, profile pictures, etc. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Profile Completeness. You can purchase this plugin on the Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins activated, please go to Youzify, Extensions Settings, and Profile Completeness Settings. You need to enable this completeness system on the certain roles. And then, go to Profile Fields, select fields you want to force your members to fill. And then select Forced. For your information, this plugin also gives you ability to force your members to complete their widgets and upload profile images. And let's see the result. I log in with a subscriber account and try to leave the forced fields blank. And you can see I cannot go anywhere. The plugin system keep redirect me to the profile settings to fill the fields. You also can see the warning message. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next